Fortnite runs way smoother now on my GT 730. I tweaked NVIDIA settings and did a light overclock. Huge FPS boost. You can see the improvement right here. Now let me show you how I did it. Let's fine-tune your GPU for better performance. We're using the NVIDIA Control Panel to adjust global 3D settings. Here's how to do it. First, open the NVIDIA Control Panel. You can do this by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting it from the menu. Once inside, look to the left panel and click on Manage 3D Settings. This is where the magic happens. Now, under the Global Settings tab, you'll see a long list of options. These control how your GPU handles graphics across all applications. Go through each setting carefully and adjust them one by one to prioritize performance. If you're following along with my video, I'll show you exactly which values to change. After you've made all the tweaks, scroll down and click the Apply button to save your changes. Open NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Set PhysX Configuration, choose your GPU, and click Apply. Let's get MSI Afterburner ready to optimize your GPU. First, open the app and click the gear icon to open the settings. Inside the General tab, enable the recommended options, things like Start with Windows, Start Minimized, and Enable Low-Level Hardware Access. These settings help Afterburner run smoothly and give you full control over your GPU. Once you've checked all the boxes, close the settings window and apply the changes. Now you're ready to monitor and tweak your GPU safely and overclocking.